Mr. ID. I knew I was subway, huh? I knew. What's up, bro?
Hell yeah, my dude. Hey, dog, I see you right here on time, dog.
Yes,
I'll
sir.
follow your shit, dog.
Yeah, I appreciate you, bro.
Hey, can
bro.
I get a picture with you?
Yeah, for sure.
My bad, dog.
Tell my fans how much.
What's up, bro?
Tell how much you're a fan
Famous
of me.
Dex, dog.
Yes, sir.
Oh, yeah, baby. Hey, you going live right now, huh?
Yeah, I'm going live, man. You know.
All right, bro. All right, bro.
Take a picture with my fans.
Yeah, bro. All right, family. Stay up, bro.
You say that too, bro.
Right,
You too, my boy. Oh, babe, babe. Oh, babe. What is you doing? Everybody come out, bro. Babe. I can just shoot this bitch up. I get too wet. Boss man, gotta wait till everybody come out. Once you see everybody coming out, then you move your truck. It's all good, boss man. When you see everybody coming out, then that's when you move this big motherfucker. You know I'm finna connect. You know, come here.
Dad, we're live again.
Go give me two go in the smoke shop and say Dex get my some styrofoam cups. All right, brother. What you mean? Tell Jake to pay for the food. All right, damn.
Hi, Dexter.
Bro, what's going on? What's man? You say what, drive?
You want to connect the Bluetooth?
Give me 1 second. Craig, oh, you got your mask on, so you know you ain't gonna really be smelling that shit like that.
You want new mask?
Nah, I'm good. I don't need a new mask. I'm already on. Shit, almost negative. Shit. Thank you, brother. Tell Jay, can he do? I'll send him the cash out, bro. That shit small, bro. Damn, we getting some Subway. God damn, I'm getting a 6-inch sandwich. What the fuck? I gotta pay for everything. This is crazy. Man, no way ain't back and forth. I ain't gonna lie. I swear to God, it's gonna be a thumb on the side. Boss man, it's me in here, man. You ain't gotta keep on coming. It's me in here, man. I just talk. Don't be talking that shit. Don't be talking about me now.
We're not talking about you, buddy. No.
I'm just playing young man. I'm just playing young man.
We're not gonna be secretly.
Tell him I'm a good man.
No, we're talking about the.
I don't care about 6ix9ine snitching, nothing. I don't give a fuck about all that. He better drop some shit, and y'all can't say nothing about that. But boy's going crazy. The fuck? I never been no hater. I don't give a fuck about none of what nobody can say. Everybody can want to say anything about that shit. What up? Look at your homo gay ass my thing. What's wrong with you? I ain't got nothing to do none of that shit. That shit ain't put nothing in my pocket. Fuck. I don't got nothing to do none of that. I don't talk to snitches. I don't even associate with them bitches. OG3, I love. Shout my fucking brother, OG fucking 3. I love you, nigga. That's my brother right there. On my mama. Strong. Love you, nigga. How you wanna go live with me? I need everybody. You got the address, right? That's my boy.
Hi. Oh,
He
damn.
asked me about the T Grizzly.
You ugly, that's why you got your layoff? T Grizzly?
Yeah, he asked me about the T Grizzly.
That's my boy, T Grizzly, my boy.
Your boy?
Yeah.
He saw me a couple of times with the T Grizzly.
We signed to the same label, that's why. Let's get us to the address, Papa. Gracias.